Hello friends, my name is DotCom and in this video I am going to tell you what exactly is CPA marketing and how you can promote CPA offers in the right way so you can make money by promoting CPA offers. So generally CPA marketing simply means you will be promoting other people's product and there will be a pre-decided commission that you will get if you are able to make sales or get leads for that offer. So to do so, you need to join CPA networks. If you type on Google best CPA networks, then you can see the list of various CPA networks out there, and you can join any CPA network. But you may face a little bit problem. Most CPA network asks for the proof if you have already earned uh, previously or not. So that may be a problem. But if you have got good training, then you can explain to the CPA network while applying to join them. You can tell them that you have taken such kind of training, or you can use such kind of tracking tools, or you know email marketing, or you have any type of email list. You can talk about those things and they may probably approve you. And there is a CPA network that is called Max Bounty, which provides new user with $1,000 performance bonus if any new user joins Max Bounty and continuously makes more than $1,000, okay, for 3 months, subsequent 3 months. So if you join on May, you should make $1,000 plus in May, then 1,000 plus in June, and again 1,000 plus in July. If you did so, then in consecutive month you will get an additional $1,000 as a performance bonus. So now the question may arise, how to promote CPA offers, especially if you are new and you keep on looking at if you keep on seeing random videos, then you may get confused. So what I would suggest you to do is there is a site that is called udemy.com, udemy.com. You can visit there and type CPA marketing and you will see a list of course there. I also have a course there which is named CPA marketing with PPC advertising, get sales consistently. No matter if you don't want to join my course, but I will leave the link in the description of this video if you want to check it out. But there are list of course that you can join, and they will teach you. There are various courses that can teach you on doing CPA marketing by using various ad platforms, okay. And my course will show you on doing CPA marketing with Microsoft Ads, and Microsoft Ads also provide you a $100 advertising bonus if you spend $25 in Microsoft Ads. Microsoft Ad is simply like a kind of Google Ads. I mean, it is a type of search engine ad, okay. So if you join that ad platform, then you can get $100 after spending $25 on advertising with them. So that is also a win-win situation for you. So but one important thing is in order to promote CPA offers in the right way, you need to have a mindset like this, okay. So for example, if there is a product, let's say the product name is Research, and it is a weight loss product, okay. Now what you know is, you know a name of that product and nothing more about that product. You can see their landing page and you will get some basic info, okay. But what you can do is, you can read up to 3 to 5 blogs, okay, or you can watch videos about that product and observe those blogs and YouTube videos in a proper way, okay, and how they are trying to sell you. Watch those things also, and then you will be able to make a simple strategy that you can use in the paid ads, while running paid ads, while you are trying to promote that CPA offer, which is called Research, okay. So there are lots of product, and just see what type of strategy blogs and YouTube videos are doing or making to promote that product, to get sales in that product, and use that kind of strategy. But if you are complete beginner, then I would suggest you to either watch some uh, step-by-step course on YouTube, or you can watch some paid uh, online course. I think in Udemy you will get some source course that may cost you like from uh, $10 to $12. I think you will get those kind of discounts frequently on Udemy, so you can see those course. Okay, so this much I wanted to tell you in this video, and I also like to make this video short so that it doesn't become boring for you. And uh, please do subscribe to my channel. I'll bring more videos, similar type of videos. And if you have any questions, then I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section below. So I think this video was helpful for you. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.